Good afternoon, everybody. This is Aniruddha and I welcome you everyone to India's largest live learning platform, the one and only Gradeup. Hope all of you are safe. Let me know quickly in the live chat section whether I am perfectly audible and visible. Quickly let me know in the live chat section whether I am perfectly audible and visible. Jaldi se jaldi comment kar do in the live chat section whether I am perfectly audible and visible, and just do share this session with all the other people in all the Telegram groups so that definitely you can join. And here this is a session, where only the channel subscribers can send messages, right? So if you did not subscribe the channel, you can't actually comment, and really I just cannot read your comments. Hello Sagar, Samrita, Shivraj, Abhinav, Mothwika, everybody, good evening. So without further delay, let's just begin the session. Hello Neha. Today's topic is perhaps the most important topic, right? That is the infiltration. Hello Chaitanya, hello Shruti, good evening. So let's see without further delay that who is going to be there. And in case you haven't joined my Telegram group yet, just do join Telegram group. Yesterday's PDFs has been uploaded in the Telegram group. All the notes, quizzes, PDFs, everything is uploaded in my Telegram group. That is Civil by Aniruddha Roy, right? In this Telegram group, all the links are actually shared, right? And also the Vision 2022-2023, everything is over exclusively for you. It's there. Okay, it's in English, Hindi, all the batches are over here. Hello Akshata, hello Pranati. Please do hit the like button and share the session with other people so that everybody can actually enjoy. And do hit the like button first. 30 people are right now watching. I want at least more than 50 people to attend this session actually. So quickly just share this session with the other people, because currently flat 50% is off actually. Flat 50%. Just you have to use this code RAIN50 in order to get raining discounts on all the particular gate engineering service and related courses, right? So let's see that who gives the correct answer in the first question. The first question is up on your screen. The rainfall on these 3 successive 6-hour periods. Everybody, good evening. Right. If the initial loss is 0.7 centimeter and the surface runoff resulting from the storm is 3 centimeter, the Phi Index for the storm is what? Okay. So in the morning, actually, in the morning session, those people who did not attend or did not know about this particular 120-day free crash course, let me just tell you about this thing, that here in 11 AM there is a class where concept building is happening, and based on which there is a quiz. After that at 6 PM, 6:30 PM we are coming live on YouTube with the problems, right? This is how the course is going on. So we know that to calculate the Phi Index, the first job that we have to do is to calculate the W index, right? We all know it. So what is W index? In the morning we have talked about it is P minus R minus I by T. I have explained it in detail that how it is happening, right? Right. So P minus R minus I by T. What is the total rainfall that is happening? 1.3, 4.6, 3.1. Would you please tell me, sir, what is the total value coming? 1.3, 4.6 means your, how much is happening? 4.4, 4.6, 9, right? 9 centimeter minus R. R is the runoff, that is given 3 centimeter. I is given 0.7 centimeter, right Pranati? And what is T? T is the total time. W index I have told you in the morning session itself. Everything had been explained in the morning session. Everything. Only here the problem solving will happen. Okay. Time is what, sir? 3 hour? No. 3 successive 6-hour periods. That means total 18 hours actually, right? So would you please tell me what is the W index? 6 minus 0.7 by 18. So it is coming as 0.294. 0.294 centimeter per hour. This is the value of the W index. Now I have told you that Phi Index is defined only for those time. Okay. Sagar, everything is explained in the morning class. Just do attend it. You will find it. Okay. I am not going to repeat the concepts over here. Everything is explained in the morning class, 11 AM. Just attend it. So Phi Index is what actually? Phi Index is P minus R by T. But this T is actually what? This T is only those period of time where rainfall excess exists. Where rainfall excess exists. Yes, morning app class. Every day there are two classes, 11 a.m. in the morning, 6:30 p.m. in the YouTube, right? Everybody knows it, I guess. So Phi index is this. What is P on that occasion? Is it going to be 1.3, 4.6, 3.1, etc., etc.? Is it going to be there? No, no. Then actually what? 0.294 centimeter per hour, right? So would you please tell me that what is the actual value coming for 6 hour? For 6 hour, what is the W index, sir? So it is 0.294. What was the value coming into 6? That means 1.77 or 76 centimeter per 6 hour. So I have told you that I can have this much. W index is the 10 rotis in the morning example. Morning I have told you the example. 1.76 centimeter per 6 hour is my number of rotis that I can have. It's my potential capacity, right? Now in the first 6 hours I have been given 1.3. I can have 1.76. Will there be any excess? No, there will not be any excess. So for the first 6 hours the data is not relevant for Phi index calculation, right? Everything is being explained in the morning session. P. So what is the P? P is the rainfall for the later 2 6-hour periods. Okay. Minus R. What is R? R is your 3 centimeter. In Phi index, no initial losses occur, right? Divided by T. What is this value of T going to be? T over here is the total time only during which rainfall excess is existing. That means 6 hour plus 6 hour. 2 into 6 hour. Let's check that what is the value coming. That 8 point, it's coming as how much? 7.7 minus 3 divided by 12. So it's coming as 0.392 centimeter per hour. So the correct option is C. Who are those people who did not understand this particular thing? I am quite sure those people who did not understand, they definitely did not attend my morning class. And if you are not attending that, sorry bro. Okay. I feel sorry for you. So it's 0.392 centimeter per hour, right? Understanding everyone? Quickly, all the links have been shared in the Telegram groups. 0.392 centimeter per hour, everybody has understood this. This concept also have explained that why this runoff is not changing, right? Because in the first 6 hours, so there is no runoff, na? There is no runoff at all, right? So let's see that who gives the correct answers over here. Next question is up on your screen. A 6-hour storm of uniform intensity and a total rainfall of 8 centimeter produced a runoff of 5 centimeter. Right, let's see what is the runoff produced by a 12-hour storm of uniform intensity and total rainfall of 11 centimeter, assuming Phi index to be same during both the storms. Please quickly hit the like button and share the session with other people. Okay. Let's see that who is going to give the correct answer to me. They are saying that Phi index is same for both the storms. Okay, so Phi for the 6-hour storm is equal to Phi for the 12-hour storm. So for the 6-hour storm, what was the rainfall happened? 8 centimeter. So I would say Phi 1 is equal to Phi 2. Chalo aise likhte hai. So I think that would be better for you to understand later also. Phi 1 is equal to Phi 2. Please do hit the like button, everyone. Okay. Phi 1 is equal to Phi 2. So P1 minus R1 by T1, P2 minus R2 by T2. This is the thing actually. They are saying both the Phi index are same, right? Now what is the P1? For this, during the 6-hour storm, the rainfall was 8, runoff is 5, right? So rainfall is 8, runoff is 5. Divided by T, T is 6 hour, right? During the second P2, rainfall is 11, runoff is not known to me, and T2 is known to us, that is your 12 hours. So you can definitely get 11 minus R2 is 2 into 3, that is 6. So R2 is 11 minus 6, that is 5 centimeter. The correct option is option A. Everybody understanding, right? Yes, absolutely correct. Ratika and other people. Absolutely correct answer, everyone, right? Moving over to the next question. Next question, let's see that who is going to give the correct answer. Everyone just do hit the like button and share the session And one more thing, in case you didn't subscribe to the channel, you won't be able to comment over here, so I can't see your comments. So please do subscribe to this channel in case you haven't yet. For a catchment, the infiltration at the beginning of the rain was observed to be 10 centimeter per hour and decreased exponentially to a constant rate of 0.6 centimeter per hour. Chaitanya Mupala, screen having blur, sir. I don't have any blur on the screen. The problem is just go to the video settings, advanced, and change the video resolution in your YouTube. Okay, and decrease exponentially to a constant rate of 0.6 centimeter per hour after 2 hours. The total infiltration during the 2 hours period was 5 centimeter. Then the Hortense constant K for the infiltration process. In the morning, we have done problems like this. Let's see who gives the correct answer to me. Okay. The total infiltration during the 2 hours period was 5 centimeter. Okay. So what are the values, bro, which are given over here? 10 centimeter per hour and 0.6 centimeter per hour. Okay, Chaitanya, very good. So please tell me no. Let me know in the live chat section. What are these two values? In the morning session, it's explained thoroughly explained. 10 centimeter per hour, 0.6 centimeter per hour. What are these two values? Would you please tell me? These are respectively which and which? Right? F0 and FC. F0 and FC. Very good, very good. Those people who will attend the class, definitely it's observed. Definitely their results will be observed, you know. That is, this is the curve F0. This is over here is FC, right? So basically what F0 is given 10 centimeter per hour. FC is given 0.6 centimeter per hour. And the rainfall is happening for 2 hours. What is this value given, sir? This 5 centimeter. Anyone in the live chat section? This 5 centimeter. I think everybody has got today's notes, right? Also, somebody was having problem yesterday regarding the PDF with notes that was not coming in the app, but today I think it was coming, right? Capital FT, excellent, 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 very good. Capital FT, very good. So capital FT is given as 5 centimeter. So bro, actually the formula that we have to use or that we can use is what actually? Would you please let me know? The actual formula that we should use is FCT plus F0 minus FC by K into e to the power minus KH into T. All these things were explained over there, right? It's not infiltration rate, Shivam. No, it's the total infiltration. Okay, rate kahan se ho raha hai? Where it is coming rate? Centimeter, na? Rate means there should be a time, right? Okay, so FCT into plus F0 minus FC by K into e to the power minus KH into T. But this second formula won't be applicable over here. This second formula won't be applicable over here. Why? Why? Because I have told you some exceptional cases where it is not applicable even if the time is less than 4 hours. Because you are asked to find out the K value. Can you find out K value from here? Can you please tell me? Would you be able to calculate the K value from this particular formula? One is in the exponent, one is in the denominator. Can you calculate K value in the examination? No, you can't be able to calculate. So that's why actually you have to go with the regular formula or the approximate version of the formula. So that is your this particular thing, right? So FT is given in the question. Everybody just do hit the like button, man. Yes. So this is 5 centimeter and that is FC into T. FC means what? 0.6 centimeter per hour, right? Into T, that is your time. F0 minus FC. F0 is 10, FC is 0.6. F0 is 10, this is 0.6 divided by KH. KH is unknown to you. So can you please tell me what is the answer? Okay. Wherever blur is happening or something like that, please change your own mobiles or laptops video resolution. YouTube का video resolution जो होता है वो change करो. Okay, so KH is coming as 9.4 divided by 5 minus 1.2. 9.4 by 3.8. Let's see that what is the correct answer coming. 94 by 38. Please use Gate Calculator app, everybody. 2.47. Yes, the correct answer is B. That is 2.47, right? Everyone understanding? Yes or no? 2.47. And please, if you have suddenly come to my session without attending my morning session, I don't have time for you to explain, right? Please do attend the morning session. Everything is explained over there. Every single thing is explained over there. Don't just try to come suddenly to this particular session and you will understand everything. This is not the story, right? So 2.47 per hour, this is the case actually. Next question is up on your screen. Let's see that who is going to give the correct answer. Hourly rainfalls of 2.5 and 6 centimeter occur over. Please do hit the like button, everybody, and share this session with other people so that everybody can enjoy the session. Hourly rainfalls of 2.5 and 6 centimeter occur over a 20 hectare area consisting of 4 hectares of phi is equal to 3 centimeter per hour, 10 hectares of phi 3 centimeter per hour. Total net runoff for the 2-hour storm is going to be like. Thank you, Suraj. Yeah. So understand what is happening. There is a particular area like this. Okay, there is a particular area like this. This area consists of 4 hectares, some particular area, suppose, okay, 10 hectares of this, okay, and 6 hectares of this particular area. So there are 3 different types of surfaces, maybe 3 different types of soils are there, right? Here it is 4 hectare where phi is 3. Here it is 10 hectare where phi is again 3. Here it is 6 hectare where phi is 1. So would you please tell me what is the average value of phi for the entire catchment? Would you please tell me what is the average value of phi for the entire catchment? Would you please tell me what is going to be the average value of phi for the entire catchment? If something like this occurs, you are watching that total, the area of the catchment is 20 hectare, 4 plus 10 plus 6. But out of them, you are watching that 14 hectare of areas, 4 plus 10, are having phi is equal to 3 centimeter per hour, right? And rest of the 6 hectare of area, it is having phi is equal to 1 centimeter per hour. So what is the average? I again will be giving you that boring pen example, I think, which you must have bored right now after hearing for a long time and a multiple number of times. What is that actually? That is the phi average. If someone asks you to calculate total price of I have paid divided by total number of pens, right? So 14 hectare 3 centimeter, 6 hectare 1 centimeter divided by 14 plus 6, that is going to give you the phi average. That is 42 plus 6, 48 divided by 20, so it's coming as 2.4 centimeter per hour. Very good, 2.4 centimeter per hour. How it is coming, understanding? Just giving you a very simple example. You have gone to a shop, you have bought 6 pens, right, each of rupees 10, and you have bought 4 pens each of rupees 25. Would you please tell me what is the average price of each pen? Exactly the same thing I am doing here. How will you calculate? You will calculate total price I have paid divided by the total number of pens I have purchased. What is the total price I have paid? 60 plus 100. 160 rupees I have paid. How many pens I have purchased? 6 plus 4, 10. So what is the average price per pen? 16 rupees per pen. Exactly the same thing I am doing here. 14 hectare 3 centimeter, 6 hectare 1 centimeter per hour. This is as if the number of the pens, this is the price of each pen. Now they are asking what is the average price of each pen. So you have found it, the average price of each pen. On understanding a particular problem, please give a thumbs up and do hit the like button and share the session. So phi average is equal to what actually? P minus R by T. Understanding? Okay, what is the total rainfall that has happened, sir? 2.5 and 6 centimeter, right? So 2.5 plus 6. Okay, what is the runoff happened? That is actually asking, they are asking this particular thing. Runoff kitna hai? Divide by the time. Would you please tell me what is the time? Time is hourly rainfalls of 2.5 6 centimeter. That means what? 2-hour storm it is, and phi average is 2.4. So from here you can easily calculate what is R. R is 8.5 minus 4.8, that is 3.7 centimeter. Option D is correct. Everyone getting it? Yes or no? Let me know quickly. Everybody got it, I hope. Understandable to all of you people. That is D. Very good. Next, discussed in the morning session, Samrita, that rainfall simulator is used for measuring what? Rainfall simulator is used for measuring what? Right, in the morning I have told you this particular thing, that it's a pretty tricky question actually, that it's most of the situation it feels like it's a rainfall, right? So it's related to precipitation, but no, it is infiltration. Right, next question is up on your screen. Let's see that who is going to give me the correct answer. They are saying that the following is the set of observed data for successive 15 minutes period of 105 minute storm in a catchment of 990 hectare area, Mayank, right? So they are saying value of Phi Index is given to you. What you have to calculate is total net runoff volume over the catchment. Total net runoff volume over the catchment. So boss, if you can somehow calculate what is the depth of runoff, R, you have already the area, so you will be able to find out what is the volume of the runoff. Depth into area is the volume of the runoff, understandable, right? So please calculate what is the depth of the runoff. How will you be able to calculate what is the depth of the runoff? Boss, Phi Index is given to you, right? Phi Index is given to you, and you know Phi Index is P minus R by T. But remember this thing, so somehow this R you have to calculate and your job is done, right? Very good. But be careful regarding one particular point, that what is the total rainfall happened. You know that Phi Index is defined for only those hours or those periods of time when there exists a rainfall excess. In the first 15 minutes periods, these two periods, you are watching that you are given 2 rotis, but you can have 3 rotis. So would you please tell me, sir, so will there be any rainfall excess? No, there will not be any rainfall excess. Understandable to all of you people. Understanding? Phi Index is defined only for those areas where rainfall excess exists, right? So I can have 3 rotis. I am being given 2 rotis. Will there be any excess? No. Here, yes, excess will exist. Here, yes, excess will exist. Here, no excess will exist. Here, no excess will exist. Here, again, excess will exist. So basically, I have to choose these 3 time periods only. Abhinav, all these things are explained in the morning session, please. Okay. Everything has been discussed over an hour in the morning session. Please do attend the sessions. Okay. Still, I'm telling you for one time actually for all of you people. Still, I'm telling, but this won't be tolerated for every time. You know, everything is being explained over there. So this is Phi Index is 3 centimeter per hour, and Phi Index is actually defined only for those periods of time when rainfall excess exists. Rainfall excess means when the actual rainfall is more than your capacity. During that period of time only, Phi Index is defined. So in the first 15 minutes, the rainfall is 2 centimeter per hour, but my capacity is 3 centimeter per hour. Will there be any excess? No. Second 15 minute? No. Third? Yes, there will be excess. Can only watch the evening, please no attitude. I can only watch the evening sessions, bro. No, bro. So this is actually, you know, where I will be taking class. So this is my attitude. This is the place where I will show my attitude, right? Because I have taken the classes. It's a free session. So please do attend the sessions. Okay. What's your name? Yalla Kalla. Okay. So whatever your name is actually, you know. So the point is that do attend the sessions. Otherwise, I really don't care whatever you are learning or not learning. I really don't care. Really. If you are attending the session seriously, you know, the point is that, you know, until unless you are serious, I am serious. Until unless you are not serious, I don't care really. Okay. So this is 8, this is 7, this is 4.5. So in these 3 sessions, right, Abhinav, I know that's why I have just told you. That's why I have told for you only, Abhinav, because I knew that you have attended the session. That's why I have told you. Okay. So this is 8.8, this is 7, this is 4.5. So you are understanding the point. What is the total rainfall? Somebody can tell me. Let me know in the live chat section, sir. What is the total rainfall? Would you please tell me quickly? 874.5. Would you please tell me what is the total rainfall? Quickly. Total rainfall that is happening quickly. Anybody? It is, you may say that 8 plus 7 plus 4.5. No, it is actually 8 centimeter per hour is the rate of rainfall, but the duration is, sir, 15 minutes. But the duration is, sir, 15 minutes. Understanding? So during this period, 8 centimeter per hour, it is the rate of rainfall. So this is the actual rainfall that has happened, 15 by 60. Similarly over here, plus this 4.5 again into 15 by 60. Understanding? Getting my point? This is the actual total rainfall. Be careful regarding this. 8 centimeter per hour is the rate, but the duration is 15 minutes. 8 into 15 by 60, 7 into 15 by 60 for clear, no confusion, divided by the total minus r divided the total time. What is the total time? 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. So it's total 45 minutes is the duration. Understanding what I'm trying to say? It's 45 by 60. Clear? Understandable to all of you people? If you're understanding, please let me know. If you're not understanding, point out the doubt. Please let me know that in the live chat section if you're having any doubt. Okay. So phi value is given to you, that is 3 centimeter per hour. So from here you can easily calculate what is the value. So tell me actually what is the value coming? 19.5 divided by 4. Okay, so it is coming as 4.875 minus 4 divided by exactly 0.25 plus 0.25 plus 0.25. So from here R I am getting is your, I will, what's your name? Abhishek. I will definitely, sure, just 1 second. So 4.875 minus 2.25. So the answer is coming 2.625 centimeter, right? This is the runoff actually happening. Now this is the runoff, and you know that 90 hectare is the area. So would you please tell me what is the volume? The volume is depth into area. Depth is this one, 2.625 into 10 to the power minus 2. Because it's in centimeter, I've converted that into meter. 90 hectare, so 90 into 10 to the power 4 meter cube, right? So combining these two, this is the answer volume. Check it out. But for Abhishek once, that what is the precipitation value, right? Okay. Exactly. The point is that, you know, understandable, Abhishek, you know, P is the rainfall, right? Abhishek, P is the rainfall, not the rainfall intensity. Thank you, Shiv Kumar. The durations of each period given is 15 minutes. Look, 15-minute period, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Understanding? You are taking 8 centimeter, but this is not 8 centimeter rainfall is happening. During this 15-minute period, the rate in which the rainfall is happening is 8 centimeter per hour. But the rainfall was not happening for 1 hour. The period is only for 15 minutes. So in that 15 minute, what is the rainfall actually happened? 8 into 15 by 60. 60 minute में 1 hour होता है ना. In 1 hour there is 60 minutes. Right? Understanding? What's your name? I was just saying for that guy, Abhishek. Abhishek, is it understandable to you? Okay. So this is 8 into 15 by 60. Because just like this, you know, in 1 hour, in 16 minutes, 8 centimeter rainfall is happening. In 1 minute, this much rainfall. So in 15 minutes, what is the amount of rainfall? 8 into 15 by 60. In the similar fashion, 7, 4.5. All these things, right? Chalo. Next question. The Phi Index accounts for what? Quickly just hit the like button, everyone, you know. Only 34 likes, man, or when 50 people are watching. More than 50 people are sometimes watching. Okay. Please watch it in the recorded mode, you know. Please watch it in the recorded mode, maybe. because everyone is not as intelligent as you are, right? So I have to teach everyone, right? There is a special batch we will launch actually for the special intelligent students like you. So I have to teach everyone, na? That's the main thing. The Phi index accounts for everyone. Infiltration loss, absolutely correct, sir. The Phi index accounts for infiltration losses. Next question is up on your screen. They are saying the average rainfall over a basin. Okay, let's see that who is going to give the correct answer. The average rainfall over a basin of area 50 hectare is during a storm was as follows. Time, rainfall, both are given. They are saying if the volume of runoff from this storm was measurement as 20. Yes, Niloy, होता है कभी कभी, क्या करे, कुछ एलिमेंट रहते. Then the Phi index, but really those are those negligible lots. Then the Phi index for the storm is, quickly let me know in the live session, sir. Then the Phi index for the storm is what? Okay, exactly, it's just similar to the previous question, but only with the different. Their Phi index was given and you were asked to find out the volume. Here the volume is given, you are asked to find out the Phi index. Let's see who does it correctly. Right, let's see that who does it correctly. The correct answer over here. Okay, quickly let me know in the live chat section that what is the correct answer. So first job is to calculate what? The first job is to calculate the runoff, because you know phi is P minus R by T. Simple. So please tell me what is the value of the runoff in terms of depth, because millimeter per hour. So P should be in millimeter, R should be also in millimeter, and T should be in hour, right? So please calculate what is the R value in terms of millimeter. It is volume by area, no confusion, right? Okay, volume by area. What is the volume of the runoff? 25 into 10 cubic meter. 25 into 10 meter cube. Okay, divided by area. Okay, what is the area? 50 hectare. 50 into 10 to the power 4 meter square, right? The answer will be in meter into 10 cube. That will give mm. That will give the value in mm, right? No confusion. So please let me know what is the value of the runoff depth coming actually over here. So this is coming to, okay, so it is coming 50 mm or 5 centimeter, whatever you would like to say it as. I was just doing it in mm because the answer is asked in mm, that's all, right? So 50 mm, that is the runoff depth, right? Okay, and what is the value of P? Would you please tell me what is the value of P, sir? In this occasion, obviously you are not going to take the first and the last value, etc, etc. But here is a catch actually. The catch is actually that whenever you calculate the Phi index, I have told you, always calculate first the W index. Right? So first calculate the W index, because I have told you Phi index is only defined for those period of time when there exists a rainfall excess, right? So first of all, you have to know now what is my capacity. Then only I will be able to find out that in which hours I have been given excess. Firstly, I have to know, right, that what is my capacity. If I don't know my capacity, then how can I judge that whether more than my capacity is served to me or not, right? So first job is always to calculate the W index. So what is W index over here? Would you please tell me? Sir, the total rainfall. Would you please tell me, sir, what is the total rainfall over here? Total rainfall is actually over here 6 plus 11, 17 plus 34, 51 plus 28, 79, 91, 97. 97 minus runoff. Runoff is how much, sir? What is the runoff? 50 mm, right? This is 97 mm, 50 mm divided by time. Time is how much, sir? Time, how much time you will take actually? It's 6 hours or 7 hours? It's 7 hours, sir, because the time is given here as 7 hours. Be careful regarding this, right? So it's 7 hours. So it is 47 by 7, so it is coming as 6.71, okay, centimeter per hour. Now this is going to act as a capacity. This is going to show you that this much I can have. Now based on that, you will have to choose that in which hours I have been given more than what I can have. I can have 6.71, right? I can have 6.71. First hour I have been given 6. Will there be any excess? No. Second hour, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Sixth hour, no. Understanding what I'm trying to say? So the P value is going to be only for this 4 hours. Only for this 4-hour period, the precipitation is going to be recorded for Phi Index calculation. Understanding the point, everybody? So 11 plus 34, 45 plus 28. 45 plus 28 is your 73 plus 12, 85, right? Understanding what I'm trying to say? So it is 85 minus 50 divided by your only 4, because only during this 4 hours of time there exists a rainfall excess, right? Yes, you can also do it, Ratikanta, by subtracting that, because you have calculated the total rainfall 97. From that you just subtract 6 and 6. That also is going to give you 85. Exactly. So it's 35 by 4. That is going to give you 8.75 millimeter per hour. Everybody understood the concept? Please let me know in the live chat section. Whenever slightly different is there from the previous problem, because whenever you are asked to find out the Phi index, always calculate first the W index, which is going to show you how many rotis you can have, based on which you will judge later that okay, I can have this much of rotis, so let me check in which out of the given hours I have been given rotis more than I can have. Good. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Yalla. Thank you, Sambrita. Thank you, everybody. Chalo, good. But rainfall was only for 6 hours. But the point was actually it was given in the 7th hour, right? So since it is given for the 7th hour, you have to take it into account. Okay, over here. Since actually it's given for the 7th hour also. Since it's given in the question, Aditya. If it wouldn't have been given, there is no problem, right? The Hortense, the point is that, Aditya, your point is absolutely correct, but just let me correct you in one thing. If rainfall ceases, will the infiltration also cease immediately? No. If the rainfall ceases, still the runoff will go on, na? So infiltration will also go on. Understanding? The infiltration will not cease immediately. Getting my point? No, obviously in 0th hour, beginning of the storm, man, how can there be, rainfall? The storm did not start. How can you get the rainfall? Understand? The next question, the Hortense infiltration equation for a storm at a catchment is idealized as F is equal to 3.5 plus 8.2 into e to the power minus 40. If rainfall occurs continuously for 5 hours at a rate of 15 mm per hour, the cumulative infiltration loss at the end of 3 hours is. Let me know in the live chat section that which out of them is correct. The Hortense infiltration equation is given, rainfall occurs under the cumulative infiltration loss. Specifically, they have told which formula you are going to apply. If you have calculator, again and again I'm telling you, if you have calculator, because in gate calculator will be applicable, always go with the actual formula. Always go with the actual formula, right? This is the actual formula. The second one, why not Sagar third one? I have told you that the second one is the exact formula, right? Definitely you can go with the third one because the time is more than 4 hours. You will see the values are quite close to each other, definitely. So you can also go for the third one and check the value out. Okay, let's just compare, na, Sagar. Then the point of the validity is also going to be validated over here. Okay, FC. You know the actual equation? Actual equation is FC into T, F0 minus FC e to the power KT. And the given equation is 3.5 plus 8.2 e to the power minus 4t. Now just tell me, sir, 4 is there, Sagar, sorry, Shivam. Just compare these two equations. Just compare, sorry. This is not FC into T, sorry, FC only. So just compare these two equations, right? So FC is equal to 3.5. It is given in mm per hour. Okay. And F0 minus FC is 8.2. Just I am comparing this first equation and the second equation. These two I am comparing and doing nothing actually. E to the power, what? E to the power minus KT. F0 minus FC e to the power minus KT. Didn't you attend the morning class? It's there in the PDFs classes, everywhere it is there. Okay, F0 minus FC e to the power minus KT, right? Check it out. It's given, right? Clearly. So K is 4. Very good, Ratikant. K is 4. K is 4. 4 per hour. 4 per hour. Be careful. And F0 minus FC is 8.2 mm per hour. So what I am getting, FC is equal to 3.5 mm per hour. F0 minus FC is 8.2 mm per hour. Therefore, F0 is equal to 3.5 plus 8.2, whatever is the value. Check it out. Sir, 11.7 mm per hour. $11.7 mm per hour, right, Kalla? Understanding, everyone? FC, this is F0 minus FC, F0, right? Understanding? So, quickly, tell me what is the value. FC is here 3.5. The rainfall occurred for 5 hours. Okay. Acha, you are saying over here, right? You are saying over here. Somebody was saying, na, Mothika, are you saying here, right? 1 minus e to the power KT. Sorry. I was thinking that I was saying here actually because I was doing that. Okay. So F0 minus FC. F0 was 11. F0 minus FC, so directly you are knowing 8.2 divided by K. K is 4 into 1 minus e to the power minus 4 into 5. It's going to be real big, man. So बहुत छोटा हो जाएगा ये value. So it's 3.5 into 5 plus 8.2 by 4 into 1 minus e to the power minus 20. It's just biggest, man. It's going to be really big. So it's 3.5 into 5 plus 8.2 by 4 into 1 minus e to the power minus 20. So it's going to give a value of 19.55 mm. Something like that I'm getting. Are you also getting the same value? Are you also getting the same value? 19.54 and something like that. Okay. Would you please tell me actually that are you also getting the same value? No. हम लोग एक सर गलती कर रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन में देखो बोला क्या है, 3 hours. In the question actually they have told exactly. No. What? Why to integrate when you already know the formula? Yes. So it is going to be 3 hours. Good, very good. So into 3 into, although it is the storm lasted for 5 hours. Although the storm lasted for 5 hours, but you were asked only for 3 hours. So why I am going to take for 5 hours? The storm lasted for 5 hours, now let it last. But I am actually taking how much? For 3 hours. So the value is coming as 12.55, right? Right, very good. So it's 12.55, right? Chalo. So the correct option is your 12.55 mm, right? Just check it without that approximation. Just with that approximation you will also get the same value, almost same value. Check with that approximation. FC into T. FC was how much, sir? 3.5, right? Into 3 plus 8.2 direct, 8.2 by 4. Check it out, almost same value you will get, 8.2 by 4. So yes, 19.55. So yes, the point is valid that I have discussed in the morning, that you can go for the third formula without thinking much if the time given is more than 4 hours. I have told you, right? So the correct option is your 12.55. Thank you. Next question. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Okay. Yes. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Let's see that who gives the correct answer. Both W index and Phi index vary from storm to storm. W index varies from storm, but W index remains same, etc., etc. Different values are given. Let's see that who is going to give the correct answer. Okay. No, MSQ. No. Okay. Fine. You want MSQ? Okay. Fine. Just a second. I am making it MSQ. No problem. Just wait a second. You just instead of thank you, Abhinav. Instead of finding out the correct statements, just pick up the incorrect statements. Okay, then it's going to be an MSQ. You wanted MSQ, right? Okay, fine. So pick up the incorrect statements from the following. Okay, look, it's become an MSQ problem, right? Okay, let's do it. Both W index and Phi index varies from storm to storm. Yes, exactly. It will vary from storm to storm, right? ऐसी कोई बात नहीं होता that Phi index varies from storm to storm, but W index remains same. Nothing like that actually happens over here, right? So both actually varies from time to time. So B, C, D all are incorrect, right? MSQ ban gaya. Let's see this question actually over here. They are saying that Snyder's equation used for flow measurement, dilution technique, etc. Some values are given. Some questions are given actually, and you have to pick up the correct answer. Let's see that who is going to give the correct answer over here. Let's see that who is going to give. Everyone using bad language. Why? BCD? Why? Okay. BCD, that's why. Okay, fine. Let's see, so that who is going to give the correct answer over here. Snyder's equation, dilution technique, Phi index, lysimeter. You have to just tell me that which out of them is the correct code for matching. Excuse me, everyone. Yeah. So you know this particular thing, that the Phi index that we have read, right? Phi index is being normally used for your average rainfall above which the rainfall volume is equal to the runoff volume, that is Phi index R3. What is the meaning of this statement? I just would like to say it over here. So there are two options. There are many options actually which contain this R is equal to 3, R ka 3. Now I think I did not teach you yet actually this particular thing. Okay, Abhishek. Okay, I'm just switching myself off. Okay, Abhishek, no problem. So lysimeter is used mainly for the measurement of evapotranspiration. I think you people know it, right? So S is 2, both the options C and D both are there. Now Snyder's equation and dilution technique both are there. Dilution technique is normally used for the flow measurement. It's a method of flow measurement. So Q is 1 actually, and Snyder's equation relates the basin lag to the basin characteristics. So 4, 1, 3, 2, this is the correct sequence. So C is the correct option. Now I just would like to emphasis upon this factor, because these other things I will discuss later. For example, when I will teach you about the transpiration and stuff in the last class, then I will talk about lysimeter and other instruments, etc. But what is the meaning of this? In the last session, Abhishek, although it will be written that channel routing and something like that, but from channel routing a very few people percent of question comes actually. So in the last session, evaporation, transpiration, all these things will be there, don't worry. Phi index, average rainfall above which the rainfall volume is equal to the runoff volume. What is the meaning of it? Average rainfall above which the rainfall volume is equal to the runoff volume. Understanding? That means the rainfall excess, right? That means that P minus R actually, obviously divided by time. So average rainfall above which the rainfall volume is equal to the runoff volume. Very important concept. Just this concept is visible exactly from the graph that I have shown you in the today morning session, I have given you a graph of Phi Index. Just check that out. This concept will be absolutely clear. Okay. The total observed runoff volume during a 6-hour storm with a uniform intensity of 1.5 centimeter per hour is 21.6 into 10 to the power 6 होगा ये 10 to the power 6 meter cube. Okay, if the area of the basin is 300 kilometer square, find the average infiltration rate for the basin. Okay, so everyone, please do hit the like button and share the session with other people so that everyone can enjoy the session. I want all of you people to get the full advantage of the free 120-day crash course which is currently go on, and easily attain that 6 to 8 marks. Normally 8 marks are reserved for the water resource engineering part, hydrology plus irrigation, so that you can easily attain that 8 marks by attending this free crash course. That's what I want. Okay, fine. Find the average infiltration rate for the basin quickly. So average infiltration rate means what? It may be W index, it may be Phi index. Both are average infiltration rate, right? Okay. Let's see that who is going to give the correct answer over here. That F is equal to average infiltration rate. It may be W index, Phi index, whatever. It's P minus R by T. What is the total rainfall that is happening, sir? It is happening 1.5 centimeter per hour. In this rate Samrita, it's happening, right? And it's happening for 6 hours. So what is the total rainfall that is happening? It's 9 centimeter. It's the total rainfall that is happening. But the answers are given in terms of your centimeter or say millimeter, something like that actually is given. So let's talk about in centimeter itself for the time being. What is R? R is the depth of the rainfall excess or the depth of the runoff. So would you please tell me what is the value of R? So here in this occasion, volume is given. Okay. Total observed runoff volume is given. And also the area is given. So volume is given. And also area is given. 300 kilometer square, meter cube. Into 100 just I am doing just to convert the meter into centimeter. Just let me erase this thing and write it freshly so that it's easier for you to read. R is equal to volume by area. Volume is given, okay, divided by area is also given. 1 kilometer square is 10 to the power 6 meter square into 100 centimeter. Right, so you are getting basically the value 2160 divided by 300. So you are getting 7.2 centimeter. This is the runoff depth, right? So time is your 6 hour, you know. So basically what is the total infiltration that had happened? 9 minus 7.2, that is 1.2. For how long? 6 hour. So it's 0.3 centimeter per hour. That is 3 mm per hour. Yes, centimeter कर लो, उसके बाद mm कर लो, या फिर आप पहले mm कर लो. Whatever, it's up to you. This is not a big deal. Fine. So you just can do it like this. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you for being here for so long. I hope you have definitely enjoyed the session. And all the classes, links, PDFs, everything is going to be shared in my Telegram group. So yesterday's PDF is also shared in my Telegram group. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed the session. Just do hit the like button and share the session with other people as well. And be consistent in all the classes. That's what I require. I don't have, any anger on anyone. What I want is that you take the advantage which is being provided to you. That's all, right? If you are going to do a good result, then it's my pride, it's our pride, right? That's all. So civil by Aniruddha Roy over here. So my Telegram group is civil by Aniruddha Roy. So just do join over here, right? In this Telegram group, all the PDFs of the classes, these classes like this, and also the morning sessions, the quiz that is happening every day, that is there. Okay. So tomorrow meeting you at 11 AM on Gradeup app with the concepts of hydrograph. But by that time, in case you haven't joined our Gradeup Super courses yet, just do join it for the best possible ranks in civil engineering, where rank 7, rank 9, rank 11, rank 13 were from civil engineering Gradeup Super batch itself. So you can be definitely one of them in 2022. So join the Gradeup Green Card, where you are offered 200 plus mock tests, online mock tests designed by toppers based on latest exam patterns, and unlimited access to all structured live course and mock tests you are going to get. So 11 a.m. concept class, 6:30 p.m. problem class on YouTube. Okay, and in the meantime there will be a quiz, the link of which is shared in my Telegram group. Thank you everybody for being here for so long. Meeting you tomorrow at 11 a.m. But before that also there is a quiz for tomorrow, that is on 10 a.m. that is for surveying quiz for Bark and Gate. Paid solving sessions are definitely there. What's your name? Namani. Paid solving sessions, question solving sessions are going to be launched very soon. That is exclusively for Gate. Only the problem practice sessions, that is going to be launched very soon. We will notify you here, but for that time being you can join our Gradeup Super courses. Just give a call in this number 96500 Everything they will tell in detail to guide you properly. 96500 Just call in this number, Namani. Okay, bye. Thank you. Meeting you tomorrow in the 10 a.m. quiz of surveying, where Bark plus Gate quiz is there. Tomorrow is the last session for that Bark plus Gate quiz, so do attend that 10 a.m. surveying quiz, and 11 a.m. 6:30 p.m. the normal hour 120-day study plan, champion study plan is going to go on. Bye bye, take care everybody. Thank you.